This Marx-Bensdorf Realtors property video is presented by David Tester. Since purchasing several years ago, sellers totally transformed it inside and out. Nothing left to do. New kitchen and baths. Brand new roof, flooring, lighting and paint. Terrific room sizes and floor plan. Living, den, dining, kitchen and casual eating area plus laundry down. Upstairs, 4 bedrooms plus playroom. Lots of outdoor space with patios, yard and gardens. Conveniently located near the Memphis/Germantown city limits, and just a few blocks from Poplar Pike, and the Kirbys. For more information, review the details below or contact David Tester at 901-682-1868.